Hey, it's Trevor here. This is my Income Accelerator review. Income Accelerator is the brand new product launch from myself, Fergal and Max, and we are super proud to bring this to you. Income Accelerator is all about using AI to make money and using AI to simplify tasks and using AI to get better results and basically just using AI to crush it online. All right, so we're very proud of this. We've got some great training. I'm going to show you inside the members area in a minute. But basically everything that we do, that we know, that we use and that we love is included inside in simple step-by-step training so that you can be well versed when it comes to AI. Now AI is super important at the moment and will be going forward. You can't afford not to be kept up to speed with what's going on in the AI world because you will be left behind, especially if you want to make money online. And it's changing so quickly, it's changing all the time. So we've got some great new tools, some great new strategies, and just a ton of stuff that's going to help you and blow your socks off inside Income Accelerator. So let me show you inside the members area now, just quickly. Oh, this is the sales page. Let me show you the sales page first. It says how we're making $372.38 every day with artificial intelligence, no previous experience required and no hard work. Now, I want to tell you as well, if you grab this through me today, I've just recorded a brand new training that's not been released yet. And in that training, you are going to love this. I show you how you can go and you can find a product that's launching. You can use a special hack that I've got to create a review using AI and create an incredible high ticket bonus. In the example that I show you is the bonus that you give away is worth $997, right? And you're all using AI and all within a few minutes. And if you get this through me today, I'm going to give you that training free of charge, all right, plus a load of other bonuses that I'll show you in a minute, but I just wanted to get that out to you. So let's take a look at the members area here. This is the members area. We've got the welcome from me. This training, I tell you, it really is second to none. You're going to love it. So you've got use this AI tool to create games, websites, and much more. Create AI videos in seconds. Avatar video creation made simple. Turn long videos into viral clips with this AI tool. Super realistic text to speech. Use AI to create all of your brand materials in seconds. 10 ways to use ChatGPT. How to pimp plain text into a professional ebook to sell. ChatGPT hack for YouTube transcripts. Prompts that are super powerful. How to create unlimited viral image quotes from scratch. How to get Midjourney inspiration. The brand new web-based Midjourney platform is super cool. How to create an AI version of a real person, then turn them into a Disney character. So as you can see, there is a ton of stuff in there and everything is really powerful and up to date so that you can really leverage AI. And that's what this is all about. Now, let me show you my bonus doc here. If you get this through me, then you will get instant access to this bonus doc. And in here, you can see at the top is my brand new training on how to crush it as an affiliate in minutes using AI. And you are going to love that. As I said, it's not been released to the public yet. You're going to get it completely free and instantly when you pick up Income Accelerator through me. You're also going to get all of these other bonuses here, which is a huge raft of bonuses. Commissionlicious high ticket valued at $997. Money Magnet, Tribe, Middleman Money, 7-Day Marketer, Niche Domination Prodigy, Parasite Traffic Prodigy. Brand new training on how to create your own digital PLR colouring books to sell and keep all the money. Kids colouring pages with PLR, Dino Books PLR, how to set up your own product on Warrior Plus. That's a VIP coaching webinar replay. And a load of different assets here, loads of PLR videos and all sorts of stuff there. Now, the reason that I give you is how to set up your product on Warrior Plus is because I'm giving you all this PLR stuff and then I actually show you how to put that on Warrior Plus yourself so that you can sell it and become the vendor. All right, so super exciting stuff here, very proud of this. But of course, that new training that I just recorded for you is ready and waiting, and you will find out how you can just literally tap into the affiliate marketing industry and take a product, take an offer, and within minutes create a fantastic review and a high ticket bonus congruent to that actual offer that you've just reviewed. It's incredibly powerful stuff, and you get that free of charge today. Okay, so that is Income Accelerator. Please go and check that out now. Make sure that you grab it through my link though to ensure that you get my bonuses. In order to make sure you're getting it through me, this is what you need to do. You go through to the sales page, you click on the buy button. That will take you through to the Warrior Plus checkout cart, and that's the page where you see the actual price and you pay your money. At the bottom of that page, right at the bottom, are the words powered by Warrior Plus, and next to that is a little round person icon. just hover over that icon and you'll see my name pop up, Trevor Carr, something like that. That shows you that you are cooked to me, and that means that when you buy it, you'll get instant access to that huge bonus bundle that I just showed you. Okay, so look, now is the time. You can't afford to be left behind when it comes to artificial intelligence. You've got to do this stuff. So grab the Income Accelerator right now. You won't regret it. As always, if you've got any questions, please let me know. And in the meantime, I wish you all the very best. If you've enjoyed this review, please give this video a thumbs up and say hello to me in the comments below. And if you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel because it helps me to help you. Okay, I'll see you soon. All the best.